25 CL. 25C makes sense to me because that's cups, but even though that's a shit ton of wine. CL's centiliters? What the fuck is a centiliter? Milliliters is 75. Okay, so 750 milliliters is 75. So that means I need 250 milliliters. 1 centiliter is 1/100th of a liter. So I need 250 milliliters? French people. Okay. But we need to start with 3 shallots. So basically, we were reading about it because one of my coworkers and I we were talking about what these are. Apparently, they're more garlicky onions, so if you ever need them and don't have any available, you can use onions with a hint of garlic powder. There was this thing I had read that talked about like how to chop these easier, where you had to almost all the way through, where you didn't separate it, but you put, and then you go across. Oh god. Yeah, I mean it was easier. 'Cause it said to just make this as small as possible. Don't cut all the way through. Do horizontal lines followed by vertical lines and then cut it through the center. This. Would we say 250? Oh god. 250. Whew, you could smell this. Stick them in a pan. Because she said it should reduce to there's like only a couple tablespoons of the wine left. We're going to be cooking on this. I know it said to poach the salmon, but I'm just going to go ahead and do what I know how to do, which is bake it, because it makes me feel more comfortable. Because the way that she explained poaching is bothersome. Hunk of salmon. We're going to still use, it's probably too much, what they had. Oh, I don't normally touch fish, I just eat it. This one's the vanilla. It's the same bottle. Well, now we have vanilla on our fish. That's not, I wanted the lemon juice. I guess that's what we're gonna live with. That's what I get for not reading. It's the same damn bottle. And that's gonna be my day. I put vanilla. Alright, we're gonna take that and toss it in. But she said you only really needed to have the butter out for about 20 minutes beforehand for it to be soft enough. And it'll be around the right amount. Short of weighing it. Which, I mean, I can weigh it. I have... $250 fucking won! Look who fucking nailed it! 1 over plus paperweight. Nailed it! So, I'm so sorry that this is going to be harder for you to see, but the shallots have turned very pink and very translucent because of the wine. And there's still just a hint of the wine left in here. It's not empty. So the wine's not empty, but there's a hint of it. Add some butter. Basically what I'm doing now is this is just around boiling water. I have it turned down not too high. And so the bowl, so this is my double boiler. And then I'm supposed to just whip it. So I've got a whisk here. And what I'm doing then is adding in the butter and mixing it in and letting it into a chunky sauce. So then as each one's, and then I have to keep it in here until ready to serve. It's not really pretty, but I'm excited that this is like working. This oh boy. Salmon. we've got 6. And there we go. That's it. Woo! That is the salmon with a Beurre Blanc sauce. So we have a salmon that I cooked with on a bed of olive oil with a little bit of lemon and technically vanilla because I'm a fucking idiot, and garlic salt on top with, and then this is the Beurre Blanc sauce, which is a white wine and shallots reduced mixed with butter. And that's it. And it's something from France. And there's our dish. We're just gonna pour a little bit more on it because I'm gonna toss. I have to toss the sauce. I know I'm not gonna eat all of it, but I do have to toss it. But you can definitely, if you're only making one salmon, make less, because it says you have to serve it in 24 hours, and you can't reheat it. So if you don't eat it immediately, you just toss it. It's not really reheatable. So we're just gonna coat it. We're just gonna coat this fucking thing. Coat it. Oh. Because I don't know what to expect of taste. That is really good. Oh, that's really good. Oh, Liz, I wish you could try this sauce. Okay, so the bottom is a little crunchy, and I think it's because of the olive oil that I use, because I don't usually get crunchy salmon. It's not as fall apart as I would like it to be. It definitely was a high enough internal temperature. My teeth feel funny. The white wine and the shallots are, oh my god, this is fucking gorgeous. Oh, this is gorgeous. I know, it is.